All right, we have a old fence we're repurposing. Probably should be on the other side of it, but there's the old fence right there. We're using that. If you could point the camera over there, thanks. If you could, yeah, that's what we had, and we didn't want that much because we want to be able to see the backyard. So if you look over here, we just ran some 2x4s, and we're at about 4 feet, and we're cutting the top of them off. We're going to put a cap on the top of it and call it a day. And I'm using a jigsaw with no glasses too. Just don't do what I do. You're waiting to see when I cut my finger off or get something in my eye, right? It's coming. Carpenter's 1027 middle cabinet. You know, we don't need glasses. Have a nice night and have fun in your yard repurposing your lumber and your projects. God bless America, people. Hit like or subscribe.